different kinds of bacteria.
All different kinds of bacteria.
All different kinds of bacteria.
All different kinds of bacteria.
Ano bang bakterya? Nakapagtataka na. Naririnig ko kung saan sa kanan at kaliwa. Natigil ang pataka. Ngayon nalaman ko na. Malalaman nyo ito pero in English na. Yeah, bacteria are tidy, so in your mind that you need a microscope to see how this little puny microorganism starts to move. As we all observe the different things it can do. Positive and negative, it has an effect. From digesting food all the way to itch in your neck. There are so many things that bacteria can do. No matter what, bacteria is in you. Different bacteria, my bros and sis. One is chlamydia trachomatis. Another bordetella pertussis. Erococcus urinae. Can't forget this. Don't worry, partner will explain to you the different things these bacteria can do. Aside from these three, you'll know about more. An extra 1, 2, 3, or 4. Keep listening, you'll be wanting more. But hold on, wait a sec. Back to the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4.